This conversion plan is an essential component of a successful conversion of a system, application, or data. Following the guidelines in this document will ensure that you have covered all of your bases. This document has been successfully used in many projects. All of the topics illustrated in this document are essential. A typical conversion plan should consist of at least 12 pages to impart sufficient detail about the planned conversion. What are the elements that should appear on this cover page for ease of personnel to recognize what's in this document? What is the document title, the project name, and version? Will it contain a confidentiality agreement to protect the company? And does it include the document number and sequential page numbering? The document will not be complete without a revision history, so that the reader knows if they have the latest version of the document and what is the history of changes to the document. The copyright notice lets people know that they do not have the right to copy any of the information therein, and that all rights to the material are protected by this message. The table of contents allows people to quickly determine scope and volume of the document and find topics and subtopics of interest to them by clicking on that topic to move to the desired page. This initial introduction is provided so that the reader has a clear picture of the intent of the conversion. The system details will include the type of system, system processes it is intended to support, types of data maintained, operational sources, and uses of the data. The conversion description will include identification of specific components that will be converted, conversion phases and components of each of those phases, and the hardware, software, and data affected. The conversion strategy should be easily understood by all project members who will read this document. The pre-conversion plans will also include any changes such as a new LAN operating system or new windowing system. The installation of other software may include a new database system. In the task table provided, identify a description of the task and a description of the associated procedure. In the schedule table provided, provide schedule information including information about pre-conversion tasks and major tasks for all hardware, software, and data conversions. Fill in the tables for both hardware and software. The software table should include any automation conversion tools, automated testing tools, case tools for capturing system design information, and commercial off-the-shelf software and custom software specifically developed for this one conversion. The facilities may include in-house or off-site facilities. The glossary should contain all terms and acronyms used throughout the document, as many people who will read this document will likely not have the familiarity with conversions that you have. You may choose to use the appendix to include more topics or simply incorporate additional topics by adding new headings and text within the body of the document. Many of the 120 fill-in forms available in our inventory are not shown on this page. These forms are all based on the Microsoft Office suite of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, and Project. You may search on your browser for any of these forms. These project management forms can be branded to your organization by customizing numerous parameters, including your company name and logo, copyright statement, and more. As with any Office document, you can then optionally make changes to the content at any time. Our project managers, business analysts, and technical writers have been adding forms and templates to our ever-increasing inventory since 2007. To view our inventory, type in the name of the topic on this page into your browser to view information on professionally developed packages and individual forms.